Hello friends, dear parents and dear students. I am Dr. Beena Johnson, Developmental Pediatrician and Senior Consultant in Child Guidance. 10th and 12th board exams have significant effect in a student's life. Board exam result is very important for every student because it is a career deciding point in student's life. Good preparation for exams is the key to success, and revision is essential in preparation for all examinations. Revision means to look at a certain thing from a critical perspective. The revision process will deepen and strengthen the academic skills and analytical skills of students. Revision gives the finishing touch to the preparation for board exams, and it is the key to maximize the exam potential of students. The most important aspect of effective revision is proper planning. So first, plan your revision. Complete all the notes and get all the doubts cleared in advance. Start revising early, about 1 to 2 months before the board exams. Avoid last-minute cramming. Starting early revision and regularly relearning the topics will ingrain the academic knowledge in long-term memory. Assign a good study space and make sure that the space is tidy and well lit. Avoid all distractions during revision time. Make a revision timetable for all the dates up to the exams. Take regular small breaks after each hour of learning. Set goals for each day. Keep the timetable and also the daily to-do list on the study table. Go through the syllabus properly and prioritize the subjects which need to be revised with more effort. More time should be given to difficult topics compared to familiar and easy topics. Understand the weightage given to different sections from the syllabus. Give more time to learn the sections having more weightage. Remember to subscribe this channel. Press the bell icon to get all the updates from the channel Best Child Development and Parenting. Prepare revision cards which contain topic headings and key points. This will be very useful for the final stages of revision. Note all important points and key terms and summarize the content being revised. This process of summarizing will help to fix the most important ideas related to that topic in mind. Important headings in the notes can be made more visually accessible by highlighting or underlining them. Use graphic organizers. Graphic organizers will help the students to reconstruct their revision topics, making meaningful links and connections. These graphic displays organize ideas and demonstrate relationships between different information and concepts. Active recall is a very good revision strategy. The act of retrieving information is powerful to improve the memory of students. Teaching the material learned to someone in the family has also been found to boost the memory of students. This will also help to find out any gaps in knowledge, and thus the student will be able to go back and relearn the material in detail. Maintain a healthy lifestyle, eat balanced diet, and ensure adequate sleep. Sleep is very important during the revision session. Sleep is linked to health, concentration, and memory. Having regular bedtime routines and regular wake-up routines will help in better learning. Answer past question papers. Students need to practice writing answers for examination questions. Writing model exams at home will help the students to refine their revision. By replicating the format of the exams, exam stress will reduce and students can develop exam strategies that work best for them. Recreate exam conditions at home every weekend during revision. Effective revision is the key to achieve very good performance in exams. By adopting the best ways of revision, students will be able to maximize their memory, increase their concentration, and equip themselves with maximum academic information, which will definitely make them excel in all examinations. My best wishes to all the students. Thank you all. Kindly subscribe this channel for future updates on best child development and parenting.